Okay, hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning, your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is another binary options trading, binary option trading strategy video where I'm gonna show you those kind of trades which I have already done, and I explain you what kind of concepts I have applied in this kind of specific trading constellation. And here on this, look at this here. This is on this chart here. That is a Euro USD chart. Yes, and you can see what we have here. This is a Harami cross. Yes, let me show you this in the ebook. Yes, Harami cross. That means yes. Let me show you this. That is a really powerful signal. Harami cross. Let me see if I have explained this in my ebook. So the Harami cross, yes, and that is really what there is on EuroUSD Harami cross. You see here that what we have here, this is a bullish Harami cross, yes, and we have here the bearish Harami cross, yes, and that means that after this candle, you can expect that the next candle will go down. It's a really powerful signal, yes, and that will be most probably the next candle on Monday morning. Okay, so only to show you that I have explained each and every most important candlestick pattern, yes, in my ebook. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So okay, let's start now. Let me see what the video is telling me here. I have prepared this kind of video here. And so we have here, look at this, we have here a nice uptrend. Yes, it's a long uptrend, really steady. Here we have a trend channel, which I have explained also in the ebook. Here we got a breakout of this trend channel here. That would be a nice opportunity to enter into a put, yes, after this kind of bearish candle. So, and then we are getting here to the 50 EMA, and on the 50 EMA we got the first pullback and the second pullback, and that together are creating here nothing else than a double bottom. Yes, so let me show you this. And important is here that we have here that the distance between the EMAs is really wide. Yes, that means that we have a strong trend. Yes, that is not a it's not a trend which will finish fast. Yes, you see, it tested twice the 50 EMA, the double bottom. Yes, and then we got here a nice breakout of this double bottom, yes, at the neckline, and now we are getting here into a reversal or whatever, yes, and that is the market condition. Important here to know is the video about market condition, like always, yes, where I have also explained the alignment of the EMA. Yes, how market behaves in certain conditions. And here, that one here, for example, with the EMAs, that it's clear that we are still into an uptrend, yes. Then also this video where I talked about the trend channel, this was this one here, yes. To understand how price moved here, we were here in an uptrend, so it was this one here, yes. And here we broke out of it. So, and yes, and you see here is a breakout, yes, here breakout, pullback, yes, and continuation. Yes, you see here the trend channel. Let me show you this. It would be like this, yes. That what I would expect here would be this. It's this one here. So this is the channel here, yes. So price breaks out, yes, get back to this level, and then it continues mostly in this kind of behavior, yes. Obviously, it will not move directly into the star here to this level, yes, but it will take some time, yes. It will take some time, and then it will touch this level again, and then we can trade a pullback from this trend line, the ascending trend line from this uptrend, okay. So that was this. And then obviously, like always, those kind of videos about the EMAs and the Bollinger Band, which I have, which are this ones here. Let me show you this. Yes, where do we have them? So this ones here, yes, exactly this one, where I talk about the Bollinger Band. No, about the Bollinger Band here, yes. And here that one where I talk about the EMAs, yes, and how they behave and what there is, yes, obviously. And then I would say that were the most important about this. Obviously, also this one about support and resistance, about major and minor support and resistance is almost important. This one here, for example, because this can be applied to any kind of EMA, Fibonacci level, trend line, and every other key level, yes. And the same is valid for this one here. This what I have shown you here on the horizontal EMAs and horizontal support and resistance levels can be applied to any kind of EMA, Fibonacci level, trend line, and so on and so on. Yes, that are those concepts which I have shown you over and over again. And yes, and I still get questions. I get still questions how to identify if the trend is finishing, the trend is not finishing, and so on. Yes, how to distinguish a reversal from a retracement, and so on. Always the same questions. You should put your common sense into this stuff. Yes, I cannot masticate. How it's called? I don't know. I cannot smoke the cigarette for you. Yes, you have to smoke that on your own. That means you have to understand those concepts on your own. Yes, to make and be a little bit more creative in this case. Yes, to apply those concepts. I'm telling you already what the concepts are. Yes, but you have to try to apply them. So okay, let's start. Yes. So we got here, I have explained this also in the ebook. We are here having here the double bottom. Yes, so let me show you this. So, and where do we have this? Double bottom, yes, chart pattern somewhere here. So chart patterns, they were somewhere here. Oh, it takes a little bit. So where do we have this chart pattern, double bottom, double top? That are almost the most important pattern. Yes, the double bottom, double top. You will spot them so often. Yes, here we have it. So that is the double bottom here. That is what we see here. Yes, and I have forgotten to add in this kind of thing here the target. Yes, the target of this double. The target of this double top and double bottom is almost the high of the neckline to the first bottom and to the second bottom. That would be the target here. Yes, that would be the target line. I didn't have entered this. Yes, that would be the target here. The same high like this. Maybe I will add this someday in the ebook. Yes, it's not so important because I have done this also on the other chart pattern where I talked about the triangles and so on, and the wedges and all those things there. I have added this, and you can apply those kind of target things to any kind of chart pattern. Yes, if it is a double bottom or a symmetrical triangle, it's no different. Yes, so we have this. You see, it's looking similar to this what I have drawn here. Yes, and we broke already the neckline, and now we are getting here to this area. And what's happened at this area? Exactly that what I have explained in this here and the last case, the breakout, the pullback. Yes, after this double breakout of this double bottom, you get here or a complex pullback or a simple pullback. Yes, and maybe it will be this time a complex pullback because the neckline is far away. Let me see, or not. No, it's close here. The neckline is close, so it will be most probably a simple pullback. Yes. So okay, I will do the play here. You have seen how many concepts you already need only to understand one trade. Yes, and that is always this what you have to understand also when you do always your trades. You have to understand all those kind of concepts because those concepts are working together, all together, and only if you fulfill all those kind of concepts and working together, you get the right prediction. Yes, it's almost gambling. So okay, let's see what's happening here. Yes, we already reached the target. You see the high of this bottom here. is the same from the bottom to the neckline is the same high like this. What is this? It's almost the same high. So and we have here also a nice neckline again from this kind of double top, which is not so nice. So, and I entering here on the hanging man. Yes, this is a hanging man because we have a strong uptrend. And if you would watch this on the lower time frame, you would understand that this is a strong uptrend. And at the end of the strong uptrend, we get here this kind of hanging man. Yes, a hammer, a bearish hammer. And that was the reason why I entered here into a put, because I was expecting a reversal in direction of the neckline of this double bottom. And you see it is a simple pullback. Yes, it's coming immediately directly to the neckline, not without any kind of other pullback. No, directly. That is a simple pullback, like I have explained in the deep explanation video. We got already also a rejection from this one, yes, which showed already that price, that there are buyers ready to step in. And then we got a Marubozu candlestick with a breakout, yes, of this neckline. And I'm entering immediately into a call, yes, because the market is in a major uptrend. Yes, it's a major uptrend. We are at the neckline of this double bottom, yes, and that was the reason, mostly not because of any kind of candlestick, no, because we are at the neckline of this double bottom, and we are in an uptrend. Yes, we got we tested twice the 50 EMA, yes, and the only solution here is a call, yes, because of the neckline, and this candle here stopped exactly on this level was also a sign that price would reverse from this level, yes. And that was the reason why I entered here immediately into put. This was a nice example of the yes, of the last kiss, the bull pullback trade of the neckline of a double bottom, yes, exactly like I have explained in the ebook, yes, and that was it already, yes. And after this, I understood the direction of the market. That is what a pullback is like, yes. If you get a pullback, it doesn't matter where it is, yes. You can get in a continuation of the trade. And here we have an engulfing candle at the pullback of the 20 EMA, yes, from the neckline. So it was a clear call here to do a trend continuation trade, yes. Also, if it doesn't move so strong, yes, but it was clear, because why should price now go down after this kind of engulfing candle at this neckline, yes. That is also such kind of things, yes. It's clear that price will continue to going up only because we have here this kind of downward. We have a major uptrend, yes, and I told you already that this kind of uptrend is strong, yes, and then we are getting here a hammer, and this is also another call, only that this was too fast up moving, and price doesn't look that it would return. So, and you see how price is trying here, yes. That is what you can use for your for yourself to trade on forex or FX options, yes, and or of digital options. If you have a trend channel, yes, if you have a trend channel, and then you get a breakout of this trend channel. Let me show you this. That is almost often will this happen, yes, and you can use this for such kind of trades where you need a strike price, like digital options, FX options, or yes, or forex, not, but on forex you can use it also because you get big, huge victory candles on the system. Yes, if you have here this trend channel, for example, this is a trend channel here, yes, which I have shown you before. So after this breaks here through this area, you can expect here on the way to this channel again, really huge candles like this one, yes, which are trying to get back into this channel. So this area here will be those one of area where you get really huge candles, yes, only because price tries to go back into the trend channel. And as you can, if you observe this, you will see that will happen really often, yes, and that can be used for yes, for digital options, for FX options, or for forex on higher time frame if you are you try to get a lot of pips. Okay, so that was it already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.